Hi all. Thank you very much for watching our video review. Now we will analyze the main indicators of the organization B. Riley Financial Inc., ticker RILY. This review is based on current data as of May 30, 2024. According to Classification Guru.Markets, company B. Riley Financial, RILY, belongs to the subcategory Exchange. 50 organizations participate in the assessment, and this is very representative. We start with summary information about the company. A little further we will study each indicator in more detail. If you're interested, you can put it on stop. We propose to consider each indicator of the organization scrupulously. Access to the table with the classification of company tickers is absolutely free and open. Thank you for your repost, and various other support. It helps the work extremely. Well, let's begin. Market capitalization of the company B. Riley Financial, RILY, valued at $0.81 billion. With a subcategory capitalization of $639 billion. B. Riley Financial Inc. accounts for a share of 0.127%. It is one of the very small companies in the subcategory. The company's balance sheet capitalization is $0.22 billion. With a balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory of $170 billion. B. Riley Financial Inc. accounts for a share of 0.132%. Having compared the shares of market and balance capitalization, we see the following. Occupied share B. Riley Financial, RILY, in a subcategory when assessing market value is 0.127%. The book value is 0.132%. This represents a 4% increase in market capitalization share. Assessment of the company's share of the market and book value of the subcategory. Good, 1 point. Total company assessment B. Riley Financial Inc. will be presented at the very end of the review. Please look at the progress of the analysis in full. The organization under study has debts of $2.24 billion. Debt to book value is 1,018.2% of equity. Result on the level of the company's financial liabilities, very bad, -2 points. The balance of the company's market value to profit corresponds to 0. The average in the subcategory is 34.8, which is much worse than in the subcategory. Evaluation of the indicator of market value to its profit in comparison within the subcategory. Very bad, -2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was -$153 million. Projected earnings for the next 12 months are unknown. This is very negative for the company's price. Assessment of projected future profit indicators in comparison with companies in the subcategory. Bad, -1 point. The company's value to revenue balance corresponds to 0.6. The subcategory average of 3.1 is 81% lower than the subcategory average. Assessment of the indicators of the exchange value to its revenue in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $1,420 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is unknown, which is very bad for the company's prospects. Assessment of projected future revenue in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Bad, -1 point. The margin is -10.7%, with an average for the subcategory of 8.9%. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 19.6%. Assessment of sales margins in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Tolerable, -0.5 points. The company's share in terms of the number of subcategory personnel is 1.235%, which is 872% more than the share of market capitalization. And this reflects the discrepancy between the company's stock market value. B. RILY Financial, RILY, probably towards underestimation. The amount of capital per company employee is $339,000. And for the subcategory $3,309,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the organization's performance is 89.8%. Estimation of the volume of market capital per employee in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. Profit per individual employee is $0.000, with the average in the subcategory, $95,100. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 100%. Estimation of profit per individual company employee in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Tolerable, -0.5 points. The revenue per individual employee of the organization is $598,000. In the subcategory $1,071,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 79%. Estimation of revenue per individual company employee in comparison with the indicators of subcategory companies. Tolerable, -0.5 points. Shares are shorted at 52.2%, compared with the subcategory average of 3.8%. This is an indicator of a possible short squeeze. Indicator RSI, 14, shows a level of 43% for the company B. RILY Financial Inc. For the subcategory, the RSI level, 14, is 48%. Technically, subcategory securities are valued approximately the same as company shares B. RILY Financial, RILY. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price B. RILY Financial Inc. and subcategory companies. We see that over the last 12 months stocks B. RILY Financial, RILY, showed a change of -29.8%. Against price changes in the subcategory 14.4%. This doesn't say anything definitively, but we need to keep this fact in mind. Before announcing the final grade, we kindly ask. Leave your rating B. RILY Financial Inc. in the comments to this security assessment. We monitor all comments and try to respond to almost everyone. Total result, -5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 1.3 points. If you look very broadly, within the entire US market as a whole, we can see that the average score for the market in total is 0.4 points. Against a score of -5 points for the company B. RILY Financial Inc. Let's go to the order table, which is available to everyone. A link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all previously made decisions by the evaluation information system Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free. Link in the pinned comment. It should be recalled that previously May 21, 2024. An order has been published, ticker RILY. Help System.GURU.Markets, a decision has been made on this order. Close the order. The final return was 13.1%. Thank you all so much for watching this video and for using the information system. Guru.Markets. You really are the coolest audience.